You know about Bitcoin, but what about other coins? How do you call them? Let me explain to you real quick. Altcoin was the combination term of alternative and coin. Altcoin that's used for any other coins that's not Bitcoin. For example, Ethereum is an altcoin. As March 2022, there are over 13,000 altcoins, accounts up to 60% of the whole crypto market. Let's think it this way. Bitcoin was the root and development for other coins, and an altcoin was adding to the uniqueness of the shortcoming of Bitcoin. Just to name a few, altcoin will be characterized in a way where an ecosystem is presented. Currently, we have many altcoins such as Ethereum, Polkadot, Cardano, Solana, Avalanche, Luna, Terra, etc. Altcoin can be described for any project that has the developments, for example, smart contract platform, exchange-based tokens, decentralized finance, Oracle, etc. Conclusion: any coin that helps the expansion of cryptocurrency that is not Bitcoin will fall into the category of altcoin. So, what is your favorite altcoin? Let me know in the comment.